Hello everyone, welcome to For Everyone channel. In this video I am going to download Jio Finance app which launched recently. So I am going to Play Store and simply type Jio Finance app. So here you see Jio Finance app. Simply click on install button. So here app is downloading. We will see what is in the app and what are the features we can use from Jio Finance app and what are the advantages we take from Jio Finance app. So you see here Jio Finance app is downloaded. So let's open and see what is in the app. Simply click on Jio Finance app. So here you see Jio Finance app for every Indian, means you understand this app is for every Indian. Use Jio Finance app with any SIM or service provider. You can use Jio Finance app from any SIM card you means you have use Airtel or Jio or Vodafone, any SIM you able to use Jio Finance app. Second, one app is all you need. It means that you pay from here, you borrow money from here, you take loan from here. We offer everything in one place. Means Jio Finance app provide every financial help in one place. And third, see, he is asking for our feedback, what we like and what we not. So simply click on login. Type your number here from which you want to make ID. So I type my number. Click on get OTP. Here we get OTP and login. So he is asking Jio Finance lock. Use your existing phone lock to prevent unauthorized access to your Jio Finance app. He is asking us to lock Jio Finance app. So I am not here to use. Simply skip for now. So we are in the app now. In the next video I am going to tell you what are the features and how we use that features to help our financial need. Thank you guys.